I've been soaking these in WD-40, and then I just realized that I was going to put these in some acid to get rid of the rust, so it's kind of pointless to do the WD-40, but whatever. We're going to go ahead and put this in acid and get all the rust off of them, and then we'll see about these adjustment screws. Come back to that in a little while. It's got a lid on it now, keeping any critters from trying to drink out of it or kids sticking their hands in it. Alright, I'm going to clean up this flywheel. I'm going to take care try not to ruin the surface, the friction surface. I believe this side faces the motor. This is where the clutch plate, the clutch attaches to. So this side I'm not going to wire wheel, at least this part. But the rest of it I will. It is looking pretty good. Rinse these off with baking soda water. There's still a little gunk that can be knocked off with a wire wheel, but that'll come off pretty easy. Overall, these are looking really good, and these oh, that's moving so easy. All right. All right, got movement. Just trying to work that WD-40 into the threads. Oh, it moved. Oh yeah. There it goes. Nice. Okay, so this I'm just going to throw away. Get a new one. This, I got the rust off of this. need to clean up this side of the disc though, and then clean off this side of the flywheel. I got this disc right here and these red scrubby pads. I think they'll be sufficient for what I'm doing. Looking pretty good. Put a little WD-40 on it for now, just to keep it from rusting. Look at that. I mean, that looks so much better already. She's coming along. I think we're about done. I mean, really, this part is the most important part, because that's the part that makes contact with the clutch. I wanted it all to be clean, so we'll just do a little bit more scrubbing. I think we'll be able to call it good. I'm just going to set these off to the side for now. I can't really do much with it till I order my clutch. But I got a lot of old bolts that are pretty rusty that I need to clean off. So I can put the head back onto the motor. So let me get these cleaned off here. Let me just use this wire wheel. Come off. And I thought it was like this for a reason. But now that I look at it, it just looks like a regular bolt that was in there. And then this was acting as like a spacer between the head of the bolt and the top of the block. But check this out. When I started cleaning this off, it's an old socket. Isn't that crazy? These are the studs that when I was turning the nuts to take it off, the stud just came right out of the block. So trying to get all the nuts off. So I can just get down to the regular stud. So I can put these back into the block, and then we'll get all of it, because some of them I still have to try to get the nut to come off.
Hello. Hello. Hello, crusty, dusty friends.
A little dab of this stuff on there. Actually, let's see how much I need. So I don't have very much of this stuff. So Hold that out. And then just it. Okay.
How?
Like this. I'll show you.
Supposed to go like on your finger?
Yeah, it can be on your finger. We'll wash our hands when we're done.
Will it do something to our skin?
Huh?
Will it do something to the skin?
No.
Better. Alright,
Does it get? Do you need more? Let me see.
I'm gonna put this right
Yep. Can you spin it on there? Good job. Other. There you go. Here you go.
Kind of lost balance there. Lost balance there. Is this to like make it get in easier? And stay in easier?
It's supposed to, it helps keep stuff from leaking through the holes that it's screwed in. There you go, good job. Rub that one around, that's good. I'll tighten them down later.
Okay. I think I got one of my fingers to have a little cream on
It's okay.
it. Right, is this the right hole?
Yep. Okay. This is what we're putting on there. Want to try to give this thing as best chance I can to not leak. Okay, I got all the studs in. I got thread sealer in all of them. Got my new gasket ready to go on before I put it on there. And I got the head all cleaned up and the cylinders. I'm gonna spray some copper on this just to maximize my success, hopefully. On there. Try to go in the correct order here. Book open up, so the first one. Okay. It says 30 to 35 foot-pounds. Okay. On there.
Tumbleweed garage.